Hi, everyone, and welcome to Science for Today. Today is your last day of the week. Congratulations, you've survived another week of virtual learning. We've survived. We have 3 weeks left, so we're getting closer, but let's go ahead and get started with Science today. We're going to have a very quick video because most of your time today will be creating your diagram of a frog's life cycle. So we're going to review the stages, and then I'm going to set you on your way to work on it. Remember that diagram is just a representation of the steps of the life cycle. You can do it super fancy with lots of arts and craft supplies and make it a fun project. You are more than welcome to just draw it on a piece of paper. I'm totally okay with that. It is up to you what you want to do and how much time you want to spend on it. Remember, you can rope in those specials as well into this, like art. If you're creating something, you can rope in science because you're talking about a frog's life cycle. So work smarter, not harder, okay? You can always rope those in. So let's go ahead and begin, friends. Let's talk about the 3 stages of a frog's life cycle. So does anybody remember how a frog starts out? A frog starts out as an egg, right? And so I'm just going to draw a little egg. And we talked about how frogs normally lay their eggs in piles or clusters or groups, whichever fancy word you want to use there. Toads lay them in lines, right? In chains. But I have an egg. And then what does it become? A tadpole. So bear with me. I'm going to draw a little frog with a tail and some feet and some eyes. Mrs. Arnold's not the best artist, but that's okay. Then it becomes a tadpole. Then that tadpole becomes a frog. Becomes a frog. So, see if Mrs. Arnold can draw a frog. Kind of looks a little bit like a spider. That's okay. Mrs. Arnold's not the best artist, as you can see. So, a frog's life cycle starts as an egg, then it becomes a tadpole, and then it becomes a frog. Those are its 3 steps. Egg, tadpole, frog. So now you get to go create your diagram. You can do that however you want, but you need your 3 steps, and I want to see a label next to them. Friends, that is okay if it's just a letter. I challenge you to sound out and write all the sounds you hear. They don't have to be spelled correctly, just like in writing, but I want you to try. But if you can only get the first letter, that's okay too. This is our science block, not our writing, so it's okay. But I need to see those 3 steps, and you can do it however you want. I can't wait to see all of them, and congratulations on finishing another week of virtual learning. 3 weeks left. We can do this. Bye.